This is the moment. This is the moment that you've all been waiting for. Are you ready? Are you sitting down? Grab a little coffee for a second. Okay, are you ready? Somebody alert the media, the press release. The ARMR Report bought Bitcoin yesterday at the close. I'll give you a minute. I don't know. Some of you might be passed out on the floor. Some might be laughing. I don't know, right? I've been avoiding cryptocurrencies all the way up and all the way down, right? I've been telling everybody since crypto was in the 60,000s on Bitcoin that you got to be careful. This thing's coming down, right? It dropped 50%. Okay. There's a double bottom on Bitcoin. There's a double bottom on Ether. And I look at my incredibly long portfolio of commodities and particularly precious metals. And it just appeared to me at the end of the day yesterday off of this double bottom. I'm just going to use BITO. When I use BITO, it's the ETF. You could do it any way you want. You could, go out there and, full disclosure, I might be buying some Bitcoin in my crypto accounts, but for the sake of managing equity portfolios that don't have crypto ability, the ETF is fine. This is a swing trading a move for me. I'm not looking for long-term holds in Bitcoin. Okay, I may be, and if I'm looking for long-term holds in Bitcoin, I'm going to be buying that through my Coinbase account. Okay, but for an equity portfolio and for what I'm going to carry on the spreadsheet for you all to see, we're going to use the ETF BITO, and we're going to use the trust ETHE for Ether. Okay, if I buy Ether, I'm just put a position on Bitcoin, and I may just do Bitcoin. I don't really, this is not a question of who's going to do better and which one, blah, blah, blah. This is a question for me of hedging my precious metals positions. And I do think it's possible that we're entering a world where precious metals, gold and silver, and Bitcoin and Ether go up together. So to me at the moment, and we'll just use Bitcoin, we're going to look at that chart and we're going to use that as a guide. If I'm getting stopped out of Bitcoin, you could be sure we're going to get stopped out of Ether. It's the same thing. So we're just going to focus on Bitcoin. That's what's going to be on our spreadsheet. And please recognize that is a, big picture crypto. What we're saying is there's an opportunity to get long crypto here. Do it however you want. I'm going to focus on the big guys. I don't think it's a time to run out there and buy all the other little guys. Okay. We need to see Bitcoin recover first. We need to see risk monitor green, and then we could start buying all the other cryptos we want. But for now, protecting capital is what we're doing. And Bitcoin's fits. First of all, there's a clear double bottom, okay? So that's a no-brainer. The low of the day I bought it's my stop. I'm not waiting for the double bottom to get taken out. It takes out the low of yesterday, I'm gone. Okay? If this thing skyrockets from here, what I'll look to do is build this position as it builds new chart patterns, right? So this is my first position size. I'm looking for it to break the downtrend, not just make a double bottom. We bought that, but break the downtrend, consolidate. I'll increase my size, break it again, right? And this will become a position that I do believe may go up with gold and silver, because of what's going on in the world and a recognition that there's a necessity for hard assets from a currency standpoint. And I think it's a complete waste of time for people to argue, is Bitcoin the new gold? Is gold? This is a waste of time. Investors, institutions, money managers are going to look at the group as a way to diversify their assets and protect them and own the group. That's my call. You heard it here first on the ARMR Report.